Hello, I am author Eileen Schnabel, author of the Kep Westgard Time Travel to the American Revolution series, and I thought we would do an unboxing today. And no, this is not my books. I love Revolutionary War stuff, and so I am often looking on eBay to find cool things that just help inspire ideas. Well, this arrived recently. I'm going to use my scissors to unbox it and kind of show you what an author gets her kicks out of buying. Actually, this is a little bit hard. Hang on. Sorry. I think I got it. Here we go. All right. There we go. This is. I am excited. Okay. This is the nerdy history part of me. All right. This I ordered. These are Soldiers of the World, and there's an entire set about the Revolutionary War. And sometimes I get these just because it helps it inspire me to think. I write for kids, right? And I want to think about how playing history is really fun and it never gets old. I love to play history. And so this is a wonderful set and I've been collecting them for a while. This is a 38th foot British Light Company private. And he's one of an entire collection of World War II. They're not, or excuse me, Revolutionary War. There are World War II as well, a set. And so I've been collecting them for a while. Anyway, if you love American history, you might, of course, now you'll be bidding against me on eBay, so maybe I shouldn't have shared this, but they are really fun. And it does, if you have, in all seriousness, if you have kids or students in your classroom and you're studying the American Revolution, I think having some concrete things, so not just the book, but concrete things where you sort of relate the object to the story. It just gives it's more multidimensional. And so that's why I love these. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you. I'm wishing you a great day. I hope that you don't outbid me on the next one, but I have most of the collection, so I think I'm safe. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.